Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI, and what I have here is Zarbee's Children's Nighttime Cough Syrup and Mucus. And this has really good ingredients in it. Zarbee's is known for being inspired by nature. It's the #1 pediatrician recommended cough syrup brand for children 12 and under, and you can use this on children ages 2 to 6. It does have dark honey, which is great for soothing a cough. It also has ivy leaf extract, zinc, and elderberry, and the nighttime ingredient in this is chamomile, which calms the body and the mind before bed. What I really like about this product is that it doesn't have any artificial sweeteners or flavors. The only sugar that it has in here is from the honey. And I also like that my son likes to actually take this. So we've tried a lot of different cough syrups and they do not always taste good, but this one is mixed berry flavor and it actually tastes good. So the last thing you want to try and give your child when they're not feeling good is something that they don't want to take. And so I would say if your child is sick or you just want to have this on hand, it's a great product to purchase. It has wonderful ingredients, and that's my point of view.